This morning, as health experts warn the Delta variant will likely become the most dominant strain in the U.S., new data from the UK suggests COVID vaccines help block the mutation from leading to severe outcomes.
You guys are all doing your second Pfizer?
Yes.
Researchers finding Pfizer's vaccine is 96% effective in preventing hospitalization for the fully vaccinated and 92% for AstraZeneca. The study reinforcing the push to inoculate more people.
If you're not vaccinated, you are more likely to get sick, more likely to need to go to the hospital, and probably more likely to die.
This as the first state in the country to impose a COVID lockdown has officially removed restrictions. Overnight, California dropping capacity limits and physical distancing requirements for businesses, meaning bars, restaurants, theme parks, and stadiums are allowed to fully reopen at max capacity.
It's great, especially since we've been separated, to finally come back together.
But rules on masking are less clear. While the unvaccinated are still required to wear masks indoors, the fully inoculated can go maskless in most places, likely even at work as soon as this week. Still, companies are allowed to set their own rules.
Businesses can require verification. Businesses have the freedom of choice across the spectrum.
A similar rollback may soon come in New York, where 70% of adults are at least partially vaccinated, one of 14 states crossing that threshold, including Vermont, the first state to administer at least one dose to 80% of its eligible population.
Effective immediately, I'm lifting all remaining state pandemic restrictions and state of emergency.
As the nation reopens, a reminder of what we've lost. Lawmakers gathering at the Capitol to observe a moment of silence for the over 600,000 lives cut short by COVID.
Yeah, and Miguel, this does raise a lot of questions for businesses, like how are they ever going to figure out if their employees are really vaccinated or if the customers who come in are vaccinated?
Well, that's certainly adding to the confusion around the new rules. California's governor admits in most cases you'll have to trust people about their vaccination status, and most companies around the country are following the honor system. But some are moving to require workers to disclose their status, and a new digital feature is being rolled out soon to companies that will allow workers to upload images of their vaccination cards. Hoda.
All right, Miguel, thank you.
Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Find your favorite recipes, celebrity interviews, uplifting stories, shop our favorite deals, and so much more with the Today app. Download it now.